Greetings, students. This is Mrs. Lancaster. I'm going to give you a series of videos for the Friends in Need database to make sure you're able to do all the queries and the reports. There are a few things that you will not have been exposed to yet in the MyLabs, but I do think you have enough information to do this activity. The first thing you need to understand, and if you haven't already figured this out, you've got table structures given you in the book, and that is how those are the field names of that will hold the data. So we have donation ID, which is a primary key, donor ID, the date the donation was made, the type code, the worth of the donation, and then comments. So create your table, and then we're going to import the donation, the donor information, and the donation information. So you save the Friends Excel file, and I'm going to pick it up here. And here's the spreadsheet that we saved. And we can import it into a new table in the current database, which will create the table for you, or we can have it append to table donation, which you've already created. So it depends on which way you want to do it. It doesn't matter, but an easy way is just to create it into a new table and let Access create it for you. So we've got two worksheets here, donor and donation. You can see the data. The first row contains column headings. Those are your field names. So you see it's creating the table for you. The donor ID is going to be the primary key, and it needs to be a long integer. We're choosing our own primary key, which is donor ID, and we can import it and give it our table name. I'm just going to give it the same table name as it suggests. So now you can see that we have all of our data imported, and it created the fields for us. So you need to go back and do the same thing for table donor. Now, table type is a table you're going to have to create and add the data to. It gives this to you in your textbook, and it shows you the table records that you're supposed to enter. So we have our T codes and our description, so you'll have to type that data in.